Yes, welcome into IATD TV, and today is Thursday, so to kick off the official release of Blazing Vortex, I got another couple of boxes for you. If you didn't catch my initial opening, go and check it out as well. It's definitely a fun watch. We got 6 OTS packs to go along with it, so thank you Bobby at Showcase in Lethbridge. Support your local game shop as and when you can. Servant of Endymion is our first super. Another servant from our 2 packs from 12. Let's see what 13 has. Another Crystal Wing Synchro, which we pulled in our previous Blazing Vortex video. Dimensional Prison. Spiral Mission Rescue. Jade Brigadine. Ho! Boom with the Freezey Wheezey treat. Nibiru in Ultimate Rare. Ooh. Okay, that is a Freezey Wheezey treat to start us off. Excuse me while I sleeve this guy. How good does that look? Fantastic. Okay, well we started off pretty well. We still got an OTS pack to go. And then 2 boxes. And a 4 Strix. Here's our secondary super. Let's see what we can pull alongside an Ulti Nibiru. If we can get this open, there we go. We didn't pull too crazy in the first video. We've got some nice stuff though. We definitely got some cards worth checking out. And we'll see what we get out of these 2. Spriggan's Pedal. And next up is another Spriggan's. Not much in the super department. And Dragoonity Knight is our super. Seeing as we've already opened 2 boxes of this, we won't go too in detail with the commons and bulk supers. Our first Ultra, Winwich Freeze Bell. Very nice. Thunder Dragon level 5. Or Dragon Thunder. Dogmatica Genesis, and there's our first secret, Underdog featuring Alpha. Would really like to see a pot of it, Prosperity to go alongside another Ultra there, Winwich Diamond Bell. A pot of Prosperity to go alongside Link 5 and Nibiru. Maha Vilo. Sacred Tree Beast. Another Dream Mirror. 2 packs to go on the right. We've had 2 Ultras and a Secret, so I wouldn't expect to see much more out of these 2 packs. And an Ancient Warriors. Let's go into the left side. Fabled Monster. Sacred Tree Beast. Warrock Gactos. Next up, another Spriggan's, an S-Force Rapper, Chiyomaru. Not the prosperity we were hoping for, but we'll keep trying. Warrock Bashilios. Metal Foes. A Parametal Foes there. As we rip through the second half of the box, White Baking, I did need a third copy. S-Force Orifice, or whatever it was called. And our Super is a Psychic Eraser Laser, that's a good pull. A dual avatar for our Ultra, slightly off center. 2 packs before we go into our second box. Virtual World Otohime. And our final pack. A Angel Statue. Right, let's get cracking into our second box. Right, so here we are. We started with the right last time. Let's start with the left this time. Hopefully we can get that prosperity. We might prosper in the prosperity of a new pot card. That's what I'm hoping for. It's one of the things we haven't pulled yet. It would be nice to see. Another Exoblower. Not asking for starlights or anything crazy, but if we could see some prosperity, I would be happy with that. Another Psychic Eraser Laser. If we can get one more, and gives us a second handy little playset. Parametal Foes. Pendulum Encore. First time I think I've seen one of these. Gigadra, Materia Actor. Yeah, that. It's a mouthful. Armed Dragon Thunder level 3. First one of these we've pulled. And Warrock and Gactos. And an Armed Dragon level 10 white. Is our next Ultra. Oh, there we go. There's the Freezey Wheezey treat to go alongside our Nibiru. Oh, we got it. Pot of prosperity, ladies and gentlemen. I'm feeling rather prosperous. Excuse me while I sleeve this guy. We got it. Yes! Exceedingly happy. The pot cards are some of my favourite cards. And just exceedingly happy to get the newest one in. And it's going to have a fitting place in my Exodia deck. So, okay, Ulti Nibiru, Pot of Prosperity. I think I willed that Pot of Prosperity into the box. Otohime, and we've still got half a box to go. Let's see what. First one I've seen of this, S-Force Justify, Link 3 with all upward facing arrows. That's interesting. I suppose the one card that I haven't got that I wanted is the new Secret Rare and Armed Dragon Thunder. So if we could see one of those, or a second Prosperity, either or. Tri Brigade Kit. The Dream Mirror. S-Force Showdown. Spriggan's Watch. Angel Statue. on Dragon Thunder, level 7. We got all of them but the secret rare. Rebellious Ancient Warrior, Dogmatic Genesis, Dragoon Knight. Last 3 packs of what has been a Freezey Wheezey treat laden opening. Dragon from the level 5. Last pack. And another S-Force Rapper Kiyomaru. Well, that about wraps it up for the opening, but I think we got our share of Freezey Wheezey treats. We got the Ultimate Rare Nibiru, we got the Pot of Prosperity, so I'm very happy about that. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of the opening, what cards you're looking forward to out of this set. And yeah, I think that's about it from me. This is IATD TV signing off. Peace.